Have you ever wondered how drones have revolutionized the way we capture our world from above? These marvels of technology, once considered toys, have soared into the mainstream, transforming industries from real estate to filmmaking and even search and rescue operations. They've given us the ability to reach new heights, quite literally, and opened up a new perspective on our world. In this world of drones, there are several standouts, models that have pushed the boundaries of what's possible. From the compact and feature-rich DJI Mavic Air 2 to the lightweight and user-friendly DJI Mini 2, or the professional-grade DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2. The list is diverse and exciting. We also have the Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus, known for its 6K camera, the Skyio II with its advanced tracking capabilities, and the Parrot ANFA USA, designed for professional applications. So, let's dive into the fascinating world of drones and explore some of the best models available. First up, we have the DJI Mavic Air 2, a compact powerhouse. This drone is a marvel of engineering and design. Its compact and foldable design makes it a perfect companion for your adventures, fitting neatly into a backpack or a large pocket. But don't let its small size fool you. The Mavic Air 2 boasts excellent camera capabilities, capable of capturing breathtaking 4K video at 60 frames per second. It's like having a Hollywood-grade camera that fits in the palm of your hand. Moreover, the Mavic Air 2 is not just about capturing stunning visuals. It also comes equipped with intelligent shooting modes that make it easier than ever to capture professional-grade photos and videos. Add to this its obstacle avoidance technology, and you have a drone that is not only powerful, but also smart and safe to fly. With its advanced capabilities and compact design, the Mavic Air 2 is a fantastic choice for both beginners and experienced pilots. Next, let's talk about the DJI Mini 2, a drone that's as lightweight as it is powerful. Weighing less than a typical smartphone, the DJI Mini 2 is a marvel of engineering and design. But don't let its size fool you. Despite its compact form, this drone houses a powerful 4K camera, allowing for crystal-clear imaging and video capture from the skies. The Mini 2 doesn't skimp on stability either. Its 3-axis gimbal ensures smooth, shake-free footage, even in high winds or when executing complex maneuvers. Beginners will appreciate the user-friendly interface, with intuitive controls and automated flight modes to help you get the most out of your drone experience. With a robust range and impressive battery life, the DJI Mini 2 is reliable and versatile, making it an ideal choice for amateur photographers, hobbyists, and even professionals looking for a compact drone solution. The DJI Mini 2 proves that great things can come in small packages. Moving on to a professional-grade model, the DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2. This drone is a powerhouse, boasting a camera with a 1-inch sensor. This feature is not just for show, it's a game-changer, capturing high-quality images that are crisp, clear, and vibrant. It's like having a professional photographer in the sky. This is a drone that doesn't shy away from the limelight. But it's not all about the camera. The DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2 also has advanced obstacle avoidance technology. It's like a bird, navigating the skies with ease, effortlessly avoiding any obstacles in its path. A true testament to the drone's intelligence. The DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2 is robust, built to withstand the rigors of flight. Its construction is solid, yet it maintains an impressive flight stability. It's a reliable companion in the sky, a drone that you can trust for your professional needs. For those seeking professional-grade imagery and advanced features, the DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2 is a top contender. Now, let's take a look at the Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus, a drone that's all about high-resolution imaging. This sleek, compact device is a powerhouse in aerial photography and videography, boasting a 6K camera with a 1-inch CMOS sensor. This means it's capable of capturing stunningly clear and detailed images and videos, even in challenging lighting conditions. The Evo Lite Plus also offers a suite of intelligent flight modes. These modes, including Follow Me, Waypoint, and Orbit, help you seize every moment with ease and precision. Whether you're an experienced pilot or a novice, these intelligent flight modes make capturing professional-level footage a breeze. When it comes to design, Autel Robotics doesn't disappoint. The Evo Lite Plus features a foldable design, making it perfect for creators on the go. Just fold it down, pop it in your bag, and you're ready to capture stunning aerial footage wherever your adventures take you. The Evo Lite Plus is a fantastic option for those who prioritize high-quality imaging and portability. Next up is the Skyio II, a drone known for its advanced tracking capabilities. This drone has established a reputation for its unparalleled obstacle avoidance system. It's like having an extra set of eyes in the sky that can anticipate and avoid potential collisions, but that's not all. The Skyio II is also equipped with a 4K 60 HDR camera, stabilized by a 3-axis gimbal. This means you can capture breathtaking aerial footage with exceptional clarity and smoothness, regardless of the drone's movements. What sets the Skyio II apart from many other drones in the market is its advanced tracking capabilities. Whether you're biking down a mountain trail or running through a dense forest, the Skyio II can follow you, capturing every moment from unique angles, all while avoiding obstacles in its path. So if you're a thrill seeker looking to capture dynamic and complex shots, or if you need a reliable drone to follow and film you in action, the Skyio II might be the drone for you. Last but not least, we have the Parrot ANFA USA, a drone designed for professional and industrial applications. This remarkable machine brings something truly unique to the table: thermal imaging capabilities. Imagine the possibilities from search and rescue operations to industrial inspections to wildlife monitoring. But that's not all. The ANFA USA also boasts a 32x zoom camera. Such zoom capacity is a game changer, allowing for detailed inspection from a safe and unobtrusive distance. This feature is particularly useful for professionals working in sectors such as infrastructure and agriculture, where detailed close-up inspection is key. The ANFA USA is not just about functionality. It's also about durability and reliability. This drone is built to withstand challenging conditions, making it a reliable choice for professionals operating in various environments. With its professional-grade features, the ANFA USA is well-suited for industrial applications and professional use. So there you have it, a quick look at some of the best drones available on the market. Each of these drones brings something unique to the table, catering to a wide range of needs and use cases. The DJI Mavic Air 2, with its compact and foldable design, is a versatile gadget boasting excellent camera capabilities and intelligent shooting modes. It's a drone that combines portability with performance. Then we have the DJI Mini 2, a drone that's extremely lightweight and compact, making it perfect for beginners. Despite its size, it packs a punch with its 4K camera and 3-axis gimbal. Moving on to the DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2 Zero. This drone is a professional-grade powerhouse with high-quality imaging, advanced obstacle avoidance, and robust construction. It's a drone designed with stability and quality in mind. The Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus stands out with its 6K camera and intelligent flight modes. This drone blends advanced technology with ease of use, all wrapped up in a foldable design. The Skyio II is renowned for its advanced obstacle avoidance and tracking capabilities. It's ideal for capturing dynamic and complex shots, making it a favorite among action and adventure enthusiasts. Lastly, the Parrot ANFA USA, designed for professional and industrial applications, brings thermal imaging capabilities and a whopping 32x zoom camera to the table. In summary, the world of drones is vast and diverse. Whether you're a beginner looking for an easy-to-use drone to start your journey, a professional seeking top-notch imaging quality, or an adventurer wanting to capture dynamic shots, there's a drone out there for you. The key is to consider your specific needs and use cases when choosing a drone. Factor in elements like camera quality, flight time, range, intelligent flight modes, and any specific features that are important to you. Remember, the best drone is the one that suits your specific needs and use cases. So keep exploring and happy flying.